Good time of the day everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we'll show you a quick startup tutorial for beginners for Substack. So if you want to start your own newsletter and build audience, Substack makes it very easy. Guys, so let us just review the basically the methodology behind using this app. Right guys, so you just need to go to your dashboard. It's very easy. Wow, something gone terribly wrong. It's so bad. Let us reload the page and everything is cool again. Websites. Right, anyway, so Substack is actually extremely easy to use. So it's used primarily for making posts and articles. As you can see, our the most important section of the website is going to be our dashboard, which I have just entered. And from here, guys, it's very simple. You can do all types of stuff here. So our main button is going to be this new post, right? So you can, as you can see, make a new post by text, video, audio. You can create a node. You can create a chat thread. So a very useful service indeed. So in terms of everything else, guys, in settings, you can add a profile picture, which I have not done because I'm just making a YouTube tutorial video. Also, you can write a short bio and set a welcome message. You can also choose a custom URL for your Substack page. As you can see, I already have one. This is just my dummy work email that I have, and it has the link to my Substack. After that, just like I said, just press on a new post and create one. You can format it with headings, images, and links if you want. When you're ready, just click publish to send it to your subscribers, guys. So we'll just create a new post, text post, for example, title test, subtitle test, writing test. And after that, you can also preview. As you can see, press on preview and look at how beautiful this looks, right? So if you make a full post, it's going to be looking just beautiful. After previewing, press done, continue, and send it to everyone now. This will basically make sure that you're publishing it. Also, you can add a subscribe button to your post. As you can see, posts that include subscribe buttons convert twice as many readers to subscribers on average. So I, of course, recommend clicking on this button. Let's do that. All right, and now click on continue once again. Send to everyone now. And now our post is finished. Look at this, our post is live. And guys, you can go as much in depth as possible. This is just a quick tutorial, but you can do so many things with this service. I highly recommend using it. So this is just the basic stuff that you need to know as a beginner. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one.